Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by medical technology company Singular Health, ASX code SHG. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the COO of Singular Health, James Hill. Hi, James.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, James, so Singular has just done an interesting deal that will initially see, I think, about 5,000 US military veterans have access to your 3-DICOM medical software. I want to get into that deal in just a moment, but firstly, how exactly does your 3-DICOM software work?
Yeah, so 3-DICOM is a Australian designed and developed software that allows standard medical images like CT and MRI to be converted from 2D to 3D almost instantaneously, allowing patients and doctors to see it in a more comprehensible way. But it also allows them to upload their medical record and then hold that in their pocket and be able to transfer it from patient to patient or patient to other medical practitioners.
All right, well, tell me about this deal in the US. What problem do you believe you're solving for those US military veterans that will ultimately use the software?
Yeah, here in Australia, we have a very centralised healthcare system provided by the government, whereas in the United States, it's very fragmented and it's a private health system. What we're allowing veterans to do is to receive their files from one medical practitioner, view them in 3D to better understand their issues or their health concerns, and then they can take that to another medical practitioner and easily share it to them. At the moment, they're having to use CDs, and those get lost and are quite costly and time-consuming.
What's this deal worth to Singular Financial? I think you're talking about maybe 5,000 veterans using it. And do you feel there's an opportunity to scale it up with either the US military or veterans? How big's the potential market?
The deal is around the vicinity of 70,000 Australian dollars, but this is very much what we believe to be the first of many. We're talking about 5,000 licenses, but in the Miami-Dade County where this deal has been done, there's actually 36,000 veterans and more than 18 million across the US, with more than 30% of them suffering from some sort of service-related disability or medical issue.
James Hill from Singular Health, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.